Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check whether an item is available at your local Costco warehouse. So first of all, you can either open your Costco application and then you can tap on the option of warehouse icon in the bottom, or you can come here on costco.com. Then you are going to see this type of my warehouse option over here. So you need to simply just click on it. Then after clicking on it, you just have to search by using the zip code, the city, state, and then you need to choose your location you want to check. Now you need to simply tap on the option of search warehouse inventory. Then you need to simply enter the item name, description, and the item number in the search bar. Then the results will show whether the products available at your selected warehouse. You can also view the details such as the pricing, the item number, the department, and the availability. So if an item shows low stock, you can tap on the option of find nearby in order to check whether another nearby Costco has it available. Just keep in mind that warehouse inventory can change quickly and the availability shown in the application can be delayed by up to 30 minutes. So make sure that you check again before making a trip for a limited stock item. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.